Dear learner, I am Dr. Rupam Sankarnath, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, KK Hendik State Open University. This is Module 3, Lecture 6, Page Layout in LaTeX. In this lecture, we will learn how to create page layout and structuring the document and how to create sections and subsections. In this lecture, we will also see the overview of the title page and how to customize the title page and the abstract, and we will also see how to customize the things of the document. Dear learners, let's start the lecture 6. Creating a well-organized page layout in LaTeX is essential for producing professional-looking documents. Here are some key concepts and commands to help you to control the page layout in LaTeX. First one is document class. Document class determines the default layout in settings for your document. Common options include document class. Here A4 size sets the paper size in A4, and the 12 pt is sets the font size in 12 pt. We can also use 11 pt, 10 pt also. Then we can decrease the size, and this article represents for an article. We can also use report and book there. And page margin, we can also adjust page margins using geometry packages. This example sets all margins to 1 inch on the paper. Now let's go to the LaTeX layout. Let's start from document class. Documents class, we write A4 size paper, font size 12 pt, and this is for article. Then document class, begin document, hi. Let's run this file and we get this output. Let's do it for a bigger paragraph. And if we run this file, then we get this paragraph. Then we can all now, let's say, decrease the font size in the LaTeX file. Let's say this is, if this is 10 pt, then we can see that the font size is decreases. We can page dimensions and layout. The geometric package provides various options for fine-tuning page layout. Here is an example that shows more options. We can change the page layout by using this package. Let's copy this code by using the geometry package. Here left margin is 1.5 inch, like that. Right margin is also 1.5. If we copy this code and paste it in the before the begin document, then we can see the difference. If we want to see the show frame, then we copy this code and paste it in the LaTeX file. If we before the begin document, after the using geometry package, then we can see the page layout by this margin. Also paragraph indentation and spacing. By using these commands, we can control the indentation and space margin between two paragraphs. We can customize the footer and header by using this fancy header package. We copy this codes. Let's say run this file, delete these packages. If we run this, then we can say that this is the left header we can center header and right header, left footer and right footer. We can edit these terms. Let's say latex. We have added latex term in the left footer. Then we can see that there is a change in the left footer. We can manually change this and we get edited these headers. Also we can change the line spacing between the paragraphs by using the set space package. If we use this package, let's say use this package, use double spacing, copy the code, paste it before the begin document. Then we will see that the space increases between the lines. Title page and sectioning. Title page, by using the make title command we can create a title page and customize it by adjusting the document class option. Sectioning, use the section and subsection command, we can create some new section in our document. Let's say section, the name of the section is introduction, and run the file. There is a section called introduction, and let's say section latex. Let's create a new section and the latex is there. We can also create like subsection. Say it's a subsection, then it becomes 1.1, not 2. Next, 2-column layout. By using 2-column for 2-column layout, or also you can use multi-col package to part the sections into 2 columns, or let's say we can put the value here 3 or 4. Then we can arrange this paragraph by separating 2 columns or many other columns. Let's use the package multi-column. Then begin document, begin multi-cols, and here the text, and 2 for 2 column, 3 for 3 column, and then we have to end the package. Let's go to the first. We have to use the package here, multi-col package, then begin multi-col, begin multi-col, 2 for 2 columns. Then we have to end the multi-cols. Then this separates the text into 2 columns. If we change the value from 2 to 3, then we get 3 columns. This is a very good one. Then we can page break and line space. We can insert new page or clear page. By inserting these 2 commands we can start new page, and by using this we can create some new lines. Let's say we have to delete these commands. It says we want to create a new line from this part. Then if we double slash this, then we get a new line from that part. Or we can also use new line, similar things. If we write new page, then the other part in the next page, at a page and the next page. Also we can use clear page. Similar things. Next, there is a MCQ one. Which command in latex is used to adjust the page margin? A. Set length using geometry package, document class, page style. And the answer is B. Geometry package. Basic commands for customizing page layout. Setting lengths. Lengths can be modified globally or locally within the latex document using set length, add to length, and set width commands. For a specific length, set length command is used. This is the command, and adds a value to the current length, add to the length, and set width is used for set a length to match the width of the given content. Dimension for header and footer. Customizing header and footer may require adjusting lengths like head height, foot skip. Page margin. Margin in latex are controlled by using odd side margin, left margin on odd pages, and even side margin, left margin on even number pages for two-sided documents. Top margin is used for space between the top page and the top of the text area. This is the code. You can implement it by yourself, and this is the code, customizable code for all the page margins. Let's run the file. It sets length to the page margins. We cannot directly visualize these commands. MCQ: what is the purpose of the set length command? Remove the space between the paragraphs, set the paragraph indentation to 0, adjust the width of the text, remove the line spacing. This is the answer. Overview of the title page. In LaTeX, the page is a special page dedicated to presenting the title, author's information, date, and any other details. My basic command is make title LaTeX. This is document class, and this is the title, and this is the author's name, date, began document, and in between we have to write make title. Let's run the file. Copy this. It is does not shows the make titles because we have not write the make title commands till now. Make title, then it shows here. We can also increase the size of the title. Let's say huge. Then the title size is huge. We can also change the author's name or add other authors here. Customizing title font and style like large, huge, something like that. We can also manually creating a title page. You can manually design a title page for Guitar Control using the title page environment. This ensures the title page appears on its own. These are the codes. This is the custom title page. We can change the title here. Title. See the changes here. MCQ: how can we manually create a title page using LaTeX? Using the multi-call package. These are the questions. The answer is C. Using the title page environment. In LaTeX, the abstract is typically a short summary of the document's content, positioned at the beginning of the document. Most LaTeX document classes provide a built-in abstract environment for formatting abstracts. Here are some essential for creating and customizing abstracts in LaTeX. The basic abstract setup is we have to use the abstract environment where we use the begin abstract and end abstract and the text in between them. We have to implement this in LaTeX. Say begin abstract and abstract, and we have to copy the text and paste them in between them, then run the file and it becomes a different one now. And this is abstract. We can write abstract like that for a research paper. Next, we can abstract with multiple columns. We can separate the abstract in 2 columns or 3 columns maybe. Also we can change the font size in the abstract. Let's run in the, let's say, large. We want the size of the abstract text should be large, and this becomes large. Also we can change the abstract style into italic font, be a bold font, something like that. This becomes TIT means for italic. Oh, this should be 1T, and this is font is italic. Then let's see the next part. We can also use this. Let's observe this in for abstract. Do not want the text size in italic font. It should be end, and then you have to remove this. Then if we run the file, the abstract in partition into 2 columns. We can also partition them into 3 columns. Next, see we can customize the abstract with abstract packages. We have to use the abstract package, then we can customize the abstract. Let's see the render file. Copy these codes. We do not want multiple columns now, so we have removed this. Run it for 1 column, then we have to paste it. This we want the abstract size should be large, so we use large, and it is IT shape. If we run this, then the abstract becomes a new style font size. So similarly we can change this font size and abstract with Beamer class. This should be Beamer BE. Then we have to remove the A4 size. Structuring the document. Here we will see how to structure a document in LaTeX. The first one is document class. We have already learned this from the previous slides, and we in the preamble before the document begin document we can use graphics, use package for graphics for images, AMS math for advanced math symbols, something like that, hyperlinks for hyperlinks some documents. And main thing is we can use all these packages before the begin document. If we see in the latex file, we can use these things before this the begin document, means we can use these packages here. If we use this package here, then it becomes it if we find a error here like this. Let's say next, for title and title informations we can use title, make title after the we have already learned this before some slides. And for table of contents we have to write table of contents, and all these things we have already learned. We can use lists, bullet list, item list, and this is the code for bullet list. Let's say similarly there are some other lists also. Let's say these are, we can enumerate them by using this format. And we can also description list. This is for caption and figure and table. We use caption for figures and tables, and we can label them to refer them. These are some, this is figure, this is code for figure, and this is for table. Let's run this in the latex file. Copy this one. This 2C means there are 2 columns. Here the table appears here. We can change the table position into front to down by using some other codes, but we in this slide we do not learn these things in details. So next, for cross reference we use label and reference, page reference, something like that. For footnotes we use this footnote. For appendix we use appendix, and then we section, then this section shows in the appendix. And this is a organized subsections code. If we implement this in latex, let's say copy all these codes in latex, we have to delete all those files. And this runs well. We have to run this file 2 times to get the table of contents for the first time. Then this is the section 1, and this is the subsection, therefore 1.1, and this is double subsection, and this section is emitted by using this symbol. Now let's see what next. Question: which package is used for advanced math symbols? AMS math, graphics, hyperreference, fancy header. I have already told that AMC math is used for advanced math symbols. Summary: in this lecture provides a comprehensive guide to organize and customize page layout in LaTeX, highlighting the essential tools, commands and packages. It begins with the selection of document class, article, report, book, which defines default layouts and explain how to modify page dimensions, margins, headers, footers, and line spacing using packages like Geometry, Fancy Header, Set Space. Technique for creating professional title pages are detailed, including customization with title page environment and packages like titling. It discusses the structuring documents with hierarchical sectioning commands like section, subsection, and managing subsections, and customizing formats using title And the guide also covers multi-column layouts, inserting and formatting figures and tables, and leveraging commands like level and reference for cross-referencing. Finally, it outlines method for abstract formatting and adding bibliographies and using appendices, and emphasizing the flexibility and precision of LaTeX offers for producing well-structured and professional documents. Dear learner, we have already learned how to structure a document, how to use document class, how to header and footer and page layouts, and how to structure the documents properly, and how to customize the page layouts, and how to change the fonts and add other things. And we have also learned how to use abstract and how to customize the abstract, and how to change the font in abstract, and how to partition the abstract into different columns. And also we have learned how to overview of the title page, and how to customize the title page and change the date in the title page, and all the other things, etc, etc. And how to create subsections, sections, and how to name them and change, how to hide the sections and subsections. And this is the end of the video, lecture 6, page layout in LaTeX. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.